it is now time to announce the results of our first DDF tournament. Traditionally, in DDF, the seniors come up and they read out the script and the awards. We have but one senior in Haines, and we don't want to put all of that work on him, especially because he just regaled you with his incredible oration. So we will have our senior and our sophomore come and join us on stage. They will be reading out the results. So yes, I know, here you go. I will show you. So they'll be announcing our results. We'll save debate for the end because it's being tabulated right now to end on a big dramatic note. So without any further ado, I'm going to be handing you your scripts and you just read what's on.
Do we want to remind them of the...
Yes. Yes, I don't like it, but yes. Yes, I have a bone to pick with this, but yes. So as we are reading, to keep things moving along, as we are reading out our sixth, fifth, fourth place between each one, you give them 2 claps. 1, 2. Practice it now. There you go. It keeps things moving along, even though it always sounds a little eerie to me when all of you do that, but I'll survive. All right, so first up, handing the microphone over to Maddox, if you could please read out the results.
This is my favorite time of year when I get to mispronounce everybody's name. Okay, there were 6 finalists in the final round of informative speaking. In 6th place, from Juneau, Dane Hubert. In 5th place, from Juneau, Emma McDowell. In 4th place, from Metlakatla High School, Elizabeth Anderson. In 3rd place, from Juneau, Luke Strong. In 2nd place, from Skagway, Mina Yee. In 1st place, from Skagway, Luna Hischer.
Alright. There were 2 finalists in the final round of extemporaneous speaking. In 2nd place from Metlakatla High School, Roger Dean McKeon. Yep. In 1st place from Haines Glacier Bears, Maddox Rogers.
There were 3 finalists in the final round of humorous interpretation. In 3rd place, from Juneau, Dane Kessler. In 2nd place, from Juneau, Madeline Branch. In 1st place, from Juneau, Megan Pierce.
There were 4 finalists in the final round of improvisational duet acting. In 4th place from Juneau, Rowan Dunn and Asher Rogiston. In 3rd place from Juneau, Dane Harbert and Noah Coleman. In 2nd place from Metlakatla High School, Evan Valley and Elizabeth Anderson. In 1st place from Juneau, Megan Pierce and Luke Strong.
There was 1 finalist in the final round of pantomime. In 1st place, from Haines Glacier Bards, Worth a Shot.
There were 3 finalists in the final round of original oratory. In 3rd place from Skagway, Kylie Salzer. In 2nd place from Skagway, Lena Hischer. In 1st place from Juneau, Rain Turner.
There were 4 finalists in the final round of Reader's Theater. In 4th place, from Skagway, Maria Hagen, Millie Bass, and Luna Hischer. In 3rd place, from Metlakatla High School, Evan Valley, Jay Aniskit, Aaron James, and Sarah Guthrie. In 2nd place, from Skagway, Ethan Salazar, Jaden Young, Kaylee Salazar, Jackson Larson, and Seth Tronrud. In 1st place, from Skagway, Lena Hischer, Mina Yee, Lila Lawson, Samuel Munson, and Zeke Coffran.
There were 2 finalists in the final round of solo acting. In second place from Juneau, Sadie Curtis. And first place from Haines Glacier Bards, Maddox Rogers.
There were 3 finalists in the final round of dramatic interpretation. In third place, from Metlakatla High School, Evan Valley. In second place, from Juneau, Megan Pierce. In first place, from Juneau, Rain Turley.
There were 4 finalists in the final round of duo interpretation. And fourth place from Juneau, Aaron Doughton Ferguson and Nolan Coleman. And third place from Skagway, Seth Toron and Lila Mosen. I'm butchering your names. And second place from Skagway, Zizi Horra and Samuel Munson. And first place from Skagway, Lena Hischer and Mina Yee.
There were 4 finalists in the final round of duet acting. In fourth place, from Juneau, Sam Lagerquist and Luke Strong. In third place, from Skagway, Ethan Salazar and Jackson Larson. In second place, from Haines Glacier Bards, Kyla George and Talia Hauser. In first place, from Metlakatla High School, Evan Valley and Sarah Guthrie.
There were 6 finalists in the final round of X-Temp commentary. In sixth place from Haines Glacier Bards, Chisel Triesenberg. In fifth place from Skagway, Seth Torun. In fourth place from Juneau, Sierra Armiz. In third place from Juneau, Sam Lagerquist. In second place from Juneau, Connor Clark. In first place from Skagway, Mina Lee.
Thank you both very much. Big round of applause for our presenters. And now it's my turn to mispronounce all of your names. So we are going to read off the debate results. We are going to begin by announcing our top ranking debaters. Now these are the people that were undefeated throughout the entire tournament. And they are going to be announced based on their speaker points. So these are all of the people that went 2-0 in the preliminary rounds, okay? So there will be some ties. In 8th place, from Juneau with 46 points, Ryder McMillan. In 7th place, from Juneau with 51 points, Madeline Branch. In 6th place, with 52 points from Haines Glacier Bards, Walther Jim. And skipping ahead for in a 4-way tie for 2nd place with 54 points, we have the following. From Juneau, Sarah Camarez. From Juneau, Sam Lagerkurst. From Juneau, Rain Turley. And now we have, oh, that was 3 of them, never mind, I can't count. Now, we will now announce who is in non-tied official 2nd place and in 1st. So you all got to see your final debate now. Our judges went back, they deliberated. It took them a very long time, but they have come to a decision. All right, in a 3-0 unanimous decision, we have, drum roll please. Chisel for having our inaugural final debate, and those are our awards for our first ever 2025-2026 season of DDF. Yeah, huge round of applause for all of you. We have a few thank yous because
who won? We didn't hear you.
What?
Nobody heard you. Who won?
We were drum rolling.
Chisel.
Chisel.
I didn't say he was like, yes. So, Chisel Triesenberg has won.
He won.
Feel free to be loud. loud or when you need
They
to
want
stop me.
everything.
I ruined the suspense. But yes, big congratulations to Samuel and Chisel. Samuel second place, Chisel third.
Did you?
All right, so we have some thank yous because this event, more than any other, relies almost entirely on community support to get things done. This is a massive event that we bring into these towns throughout the state, and we cannot get it done with all of our dozens and dozens of volunteer judges who come in on the weekend, on their free time, to donate their time to support all of us and give us the feedback that we need to grow and learn. So a huge round of applause for all of our judges that we had this weekend. Some of them are in the room now. You will be getting to look over all of their feedback, some of you on your journey home, those of you in Haines on Monday, and so we just really appreciate them donating all of their time. It's a huge thank you to our activities director, Melissa Gainey. The amount of work that she puts into this tournament and all of the tournaments that we have coming out of her is just stunning. So. I would also like to say a huge thank you to our two presenters that helped us out with their work. Please shush. Our two your time for speaking has lasted all throughout the weekend. Now it's my turn at last. I'm free from the computer and I get to speak. But a huge thank you to Gershon Cohen and Tim Shields for donating their time and giving you all of their decades worth of knowledge in the workshops this weekend. Also a huge thank you to everyone that donated food for our judges, people that came in and were helping me with timer tables. I want to especially thank Yorona Jacobson, who is here. She was helping me putting up postings. She was stuffing ballots. You will hopefully see her doing DDF in 2 years. No pressure, but we're looking forward to it. So huge thank you to Yorona. I want to extend a huge thank you to all of your coaches, because I do this all by myself. I don't have an assistant coach, and it's always been a wonderful community here in Southeast. We've got assistants all across the board. Anytime I needed an extra pair of hands, I very much know that I can rely on your coaches. So a huge thank you to them for helping me out, keeping this tournament running, and a huge thank you to them for being your coaches and for directing you in the areas that you need to go. So just a massive thank you to all of the Southeast coaches. Unless my computer-frazzled brain has forgotten anything else that you all are picking up on that you want to write down now.
Well,
Thank you, Hannah.
yeah, normally
My time with you is done. You are now free. You can be released back in your life.